Welcome guys sa Camp Awul. Mukhang konti ang nagka-camp ngayon kasi konti yung mga nakaparadong sasakyan eh. So guys, meron silang ATV dito pero medyo pricey kasi 2.5 ang isang tao. Tapos 3.5 kapag may angkas. Itong maliit kasi gusto niya raw i-try. Eh, medyo expensive para sa amin. So camping lang tayo anak, mahal eh. Camp lang tayo, mahal yung ATV nila. So, ito yung parking area guys. Okay naman, malawak naman din. Yun. So, dito guys, may store din pala sila. Kompleto naman ang mga basic na essentials. Ayan, meron pa mga beer. Alfonso. Kaya lang, syempre, expect nyo na mas mahal dito. Initially, dapat sa RS4 daw kami, which is walang car camping. Kasi depende daw sa packs yung magiging slot. Napakiusapan naman kasi may bakanting ibang spot pwede ang car camping. Kasi kung tutusin, bawal talaga mag car camp kapag ang iyong sasakyan ay walang side awning o kaya yung roof tent. Meron namang spot na hindi kami magpa-park, ibababa namin sasakyan doon. May river crossing lang ng konti. Pero kaya naman kasi ano naman ngayon tag-init naman.
Porch light flicker on the siding, moths dancing like they know the tune. Porch light flicker on the siding, moths dancing like they know the tune. Every breath feels borrowed, but tonight the world's in tune. Chair arms beneath me, plank boards keep the time. Old chair arms beneath me, plank boards keep the time. If this sound ain't perfect, that's how I always mine. Someone left the radio humming low next door. Someone left the radio humming low next door. Static sings the harmony.